Can Meta's AI replace marketers? Here is the truth. Imagine this, you upload one product image and set your budget, and within minutes, AI creates a whole campaign for you. Ads with the different images, video, text, even personalized just for you. Wherever you are. Sounds like a science fiction? Well, Meta is working to make this reality by 2026. But here is the thing, is automation really the future of advertising, or is there more to the story? Let's unpack what this means for you and your business. Hey, I am Mehul Brahmbhatt, founder and CEO of Matrix Bricks. Today, I want to talk about something big happening with Meta and what it means if you are running ads or planning to in the near future. They are building tools that will let brands create and run ads almost automatically using artificial intelligence. But what does that actually look like? And how should you think about it from a business perspective? Let's get into it. What exactly is Meta building? So what is Meta doing exactly? Meta owns Facebook and Instagram, platforms with over 3.4 billion users combined. They are developing AI tools that aim to automate the entire ad creation and delivery process. For example, say you give a Meta's AI a product image and set your budget. The AI will then generate multiple ad variations, different images, video clips, headlines, and descriptions. Personalized ads in real time, showing each user a version tailored to their location, preferences, devices, or behavior. Manage your budget allocation and decide which ads perform best, then automatically optimize the delivery. In short, it's an AI-driven advertising factory working 24/7 at a scale to make ads more personalized and efficient. Why this is a big deal? Why does this matter? Because personalization has always been a big goal for digital marketers, but it's incredibly time consuming and resource heavy. Imagine how much effort it takes to create and test dozens of creative options manually. With AI, you can increase the volume of creatives, meaning more ways to catch your audience's attention. You can speed up your campaign launch and get better data faster. Plus, by personalizing ads down to the individual level, you can boost engagement and conversions. But, and this is important, AI can help automate the execution of ads, but it can't replace the thinking behind them. Why human strategy still matters? Here is the truth. No AI, no matter how smart, can create a brand story for you. It won't understand your unique value, your voice, or the emotions you want to connect with your customers on. That's why strategic planning is still critical. You need to define clear goals for your campaigns. Know how your audience really is beyond demographics. Craft messaging that resonate on a human level. Decide which channel and format makes sense for your business. The AI can help with how you deliver that message, but it can't decide what your message is. How agency partnerships create synergy. So where do agencies fit into this? Think of AI as a powerful tool in your marketing toolbox, but like any tool, it needs to be used skillfully. We focus on helping you develop the right input for AI, like creative directions and audience insights. Monitoring results to understand what's actually working, then refining the approach. Ensuring your brand stays consistent and authentic, even as you scale ad variations. Advising on the right mix of automation and human oversight. That balance is a key. This is the synergy between AI technology and human expertise. What should businesses do today? If you are wondering what your next steps should be, stay informed about how AI is evolving in advertising platforms. Build a strong foundation, clarify your brand's voice, goals, and target audience. Experiment thoughtfully, start small, taste, learn, and scale what works. Partner with experts who understand both AI technology and human strategy, because one without the other won't get you the best results. Remember, AI is a tool to help you work smarter, but smart marketing always starts with a clear strategy and authentic storytelling. If this gave you a better understanding of where digital ads are heading, give it a like and subscribe for more easy to understand marketing insights. And if you are thinking about how to make the most of AI powered ads for your business, reach out to us at Mattress Bricks. See you in my next video.